Hey guys, welcome up. Is it on? Welcome back to another video, you got. Wait. Stuck in traffic like always. Florida, gotta love it. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. You already know what we're doing today. You see the title. We got the Elmo over here. I am Santa Claus, but you can't really see. Oh, you saw my hat. And people look at it like, what the hell? So today we're going to. Can you hear me? You can hear me? I'm the best one like ever lived. Yeah? Alright, cool. She knows what's up. So today we're gonna do something different. We are going to do a challenge. Well, not a challenge, I guess it's a prank, right? We're going to be going to, as you see, we got the funny helmets. She got Elmo, I got Santa Claus. Thank you, bro. And we're going to be doing a stare down in traffic with these helmets. Let's do it. Let's do it. Hell yeah, we could do that with the funny helmets. It's funny how bikers gotta talk. We gotta talk in like sign languages and stuff, right? We gotta talk in sign language. But bikers gotta talk in sign language because she can't hear me at all. Like I can say anything. She got a big head. Snoop Dogg. Let's just smile and wave. Smile and wave. Smile and wave. We're gonna get people's reactions with the masks. Huh? Hello. No? Okay, you just stare. Hello. Nobody wants to say anything. Oh man. Hello, good sir. Goodbye, good sir. Let's see how many people we can make honk for us, right? It's not really a challenge, it's not a prank, so I guess it's just I don't know. Well, we'll categorize it when we blow up. She has the Elmo helmet cover, and I got the Santa Claus, as you see there a little bit. You got a little jingle jingle. Woo! Look at me. There we go. I look good? Ho ho ho. You gotta do the Elmo. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Let's see how many people we get to honk and how many people can actually wave at us. So let's just wave at everybody. You gotta wave. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's do another wave. Yes, sir. Another one. Let's get it. This is fun. A wave. Yes. Do it, Elmo. Come on. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it right here. Right here. Do it. Do it. Wave. 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 Elmo's a little shy. Elmo, you turning red. You blushing. Why you blushing? Look, let's just smile at this car right now. I mean, why did I say smile? They can't see your smile. Oh, look, it's me. That's me. That's me. They didn't wave. Oh, oh, oh. Woo. Hello. Hello. Woo. We got a honk. We got a honk. We got a honk. Yeah, boy. Grandpa. Grandpa. Just kidding. What is the definition of Dunlop?
Of what?
Of Dunlop.
I don't know.
Papa Willie. Papa Willie. Elmo, you gotta be a little more. Okay, Elmo? Don't be shy. There you go, Elmo. There you go, Elmo. There you go, Elmo. You gonna give me a massage later? No? Damn it. Hey, you matched that car. You matched that car. That car is blushing just like you. Come on, you gotta honk back. Somebody honk. What you looking at? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? You deadass wanna fight? Bro, what's up? Alright, listen. I'm not gonna tell Cookie Monster, but I saw you the other day reaching into the cookie jar. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey, good fellow. No? Okay. Hi. How you doing? You want to do a stoppie? Do a stoppie. Do a stoppie. Do a stoppie. Boo. Boo. Do a beat. Nobody likes us. Nobody likes us. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Happy Halloween. Oh shit, wrong one. Tell your parents to honk. Tell them to honk. They didn't get it. Oh, I can't get that. It's copyright. We gotta keep talking so it doesn't get copyrighted. Oh yeah. Mercedes, how's it going? Oh, okay. I got a smile, I saw that. You smiled. Don't try that, don't try that. La 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 la. La 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 la. Elmo's World. La 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 la. Merry Christmas. Santa Claus. Get up. Get out the way. Get out the way. Let's switch. Let me ride your bike. Please? Is it recording? So you're on camera telling me no? Wow. I want to show them the Santa Claus one. Go get some ice cream. I want to park there.
I'm sorry, we don't have cash. I understand. Sorry to bother you.
It's alright.
Have a blessed day. That's safe.
Thank you. I don't even know what she said. Back on the road, back on the road, back on the road. You Willie, bro. I can't Willie for shit. Back on the road. Woo! Ah! Back on the road, back on the road, back on the road. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more vlogs, more hoonigan stuff. Watch our other videos, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what it is. We out.